welcome to my channel. Today we've got a unboxing. Now obviously I know what this one is, so it's not going to be a surprise to me, but it will be a surprise to see what it looks like. So let's see what we've got here. I'll cut it. Not too many bits holding it together there. Just three. Ooh. Goes that way. Bit goes that way. Oh, bit goes that way. Oh, now you can't see me. Oh, and there's some of that in there. And that in there. Oh, I'm getting in there. Hold on. This is like parcel, isn't it? Let's lose that one. And we're on to a smaller one. Still unboxing. That one. That one. Oh, how's this one come across? Oh, we've got to pull that there. It says pull then, so it means you've got to pull. Probably got to get to it, haven't you, too? And it breaks. The pull bit breaks. That didn't help, did it? So look the other way. Oh, they go that way either. Stuck. Okay. I'll unfold an end. Yes, I can unfold an end. Right. We can flip that one out. Another box. Oh, another box. However, this is the box we wanted to get to. If you remember on one of the last videos, I had the smaller one, which I shall do you the video on, the full dressing one. And what I wanted to do, wasn't it, was see if they did a large print in the Inspire Catholic Bible. They did. I had to have. There we go. So I'll show you the back. Should you want to read all of that? How's that? Pause it at any time. Although I found it, if you pause a video, it goes all dull, doesn't it? So I'll just sit here and burble on while you're having a read. How's that? Anyway, that's the back of the box. So he flips open. And inside that one's box, where it said everything. I'll do a full review when I've dressed it. How about that? So for now, you just get peek snapshots of it. Do the full one later. It's very nice. It's very heavy. Well, rather heavy. It's very pretty. Can you see that? And the prettiness is on the back as well. Wouldn't need to do much to dress that up, would you? Perhaps some butterflies on the plain bits. So it is a tying down, Inspire, the Bible for colouring and creative journaling. And it's a Catholic Bible and it's an NLT version. Same as the smaller versions, because I've got the small version of that. So there's no difference there. Yeah, same next page. I think they're pretty standard, aren't they, once they get going in these. But with this one, as I wanted, was the larger text. Ooh. We're into larger text now, which is good. I won't, as I say, this is just a sneaky preview because it was an unboxing more than a walkthrough. But you can see this is quite big. Single column and loads to journal on. Does he have writing? Yes, it looks like it has your normal writing and colouring in pages. So you can get that one and then it's not easy to lift this one. On the other side, you can get a blank one. Okay, so there you go. What can I say? It's a big one to read. And this was the one that had the 7 extra books in it. And I've been reading the 7 books, but in the smaller version, of which I'll show you. And what I'll do now is I think I'll swap to the larger text. And I'll continue reading the extra 7 books in this big one. We see how we get on with that. So there you are, rather a quick one. Just an unbox. Nothing spectacular today. Nice colour on there. Look at that sheen. You can't see that sheen. It's really nice. It's sort of, it's like a, I don't know, salmony colour, pinky colour, and it matches, clearly. You can see it better on the bottom. The outside of it. Beautiful Bible. Lots to play with. Lots of videos to bring you. So, I shall say, because this is just short, I shall say, stay safe, take care. Give me a thumbs up. Do subscribe, because there was more to come. And our favourite one, hold it, feel it, love it. I love my Bibles, as you know. And I shall see you soon. So I shall say, bye-bye for now.